Induction ranges are faster with better simmering capability, require less venting, and are the most child-safe and cleanable. But are induction ranges reliable? Our reliability numbers are based on over 33,000 service calls logged by our service department just last year. Let's get started. Induction cooktops are one of the most reliable appliances you can buy at 3.8%, but that number does increase to 10.6% per year for an induction range. So although you will learn the 4 most reliable induction range brands, you should also look to understand the best service in your area, because you will need some of any brand even on this list. Now let's look at the 4 most reliable induction ranges to consider. With Thermador, Liberty technology, it allows you to cook with up to 5 pots, bridge zones for larger pans, or use teppanyaki mode. The MyZone feature automatically adjusts heat as you move your cookware, simplifying multi-step cooking. It also features Wi-Fi connectivity through the Home Connect app and a user-friendly TFT display, but the oven is only single convection. The service rate is 11.8% in the first year, slightly above average. It remains a solid choice for cooktop functionality. GE Profile was one of the original brands for induction. We sold their induction cooktops in the 1980s. The brand focuses on delivering practical features that make cooking easier. Their induction range offers 4 cooking zones, a power boil element for rapid heating, and Wi-Fi connectivity for added convenience. Although its service rate is 11.4%, which is again slightly above average, GE does currently provide its own service support. However, they recently rebranded that service to Bodewell. Hopefully that bodes well for getting your appliances serviced. Still, their service is better than most. Bosch induction ranges are known for their style and reasonable pricing. Be careful though, Bosch only manufactures half of their ranges. Smeg of Italy manufactures their freestanding 800 series 30 and 36-inch ranges. You can tell by their exposed steel legs. Make sure you know the difference. Italian ranges are not known for their reliability. They typically have smaller ovens. Their overall blended service rate is better than average for now at 9.3%. LG is the second most reliable brand for home appliances sold at Yale and number 1 for induction ranges. LG manufactures more core elements like compressors and induction drivers than any other manufacturer. That is the cornerstone of their success. Their best feature is their massive 6.3 cubic foot oven, which is almost 3 cubic feet bigger than Bosch's 36-inch range. And at 6.3% service in the first year, LG is the most reliable induction range you can buy. The average induction range service rate is 10.6%, slightly higher than the overall appliance average, which is 9%. If you buy from a retailer that doesn't offer service, at least figure out who can fix an induction range in your area. Remember, always make reliability and service an important part of your purchase. You will need service within the lifetime of any induction range. If you want to see how this reliability compares to induction cooktops, then click this video, and thanks for watching.